I've switched my whole system over to Aosu security cameras, and this is one of them. This is the Aosu D1 Max. It's an exceptional security camera. The complete system just works seamlessly together. It's very, very good. But this one I've been super impressed with, especially. Basically, it's a solar cam, so it's self-powered by this solar panel that comes in the kit. You don't have to plug it in. There's no sort of fiddly instructions or anything. It just works very well. In the box, you get the camera itself, you get the solar panel, you get the mount for both the camera and the solar panel, you get a quick start instruction guide, you got a little template here for setting up the camera and mounting it to the wall, a charging cable for when you want to actually set it up, so you can charge it up originally, get it set up to the Wi-Fi and then mount it in your desired location. So that comes in the box. You get a pack of screws in there to mount it to the wall and a sticker to let everybody know that you've got 24/7 monitoring with this Aosu security system. The camera itself has 360 degrees PTZ, so pan, tilt, zoom, control, and it's a 3K Ultra HD picture, so very good quality picture. I've been super impressed with the detail that you get from these cameras, considering the cheap price of only £101 for this particular one. The other one I've got, which is a wired connection camera, which is a D1 SE, that's mounted outside the studio. It was only £52, so it's not an expensive system by any means. It's solar powered, wire free, no finicky wiring, massive wires to the end of the garden, which is where I've got this actually mounted. It's simple to set up. It took me literally 10 minutes to get this thing up and working, and yeah, then you can sort of forget about it until you get any notifications on the app, which we'll talk about in just a second. It's got motion tracking for humans, pets and vehicles, so it will track the subject left, right, up and down, 90 degrees up and down and 360 degrees all the way around with no limitations. It's got a two-way speaker, which is great for communicating with people that are delivering parcels to your house, for instance, so that works very well. It works well with Alexa and Google Home, so you can set it up on your system, and I'll show you a quick example now of me using it on my Echo Show 5 that I've got in the studio here, so I can check it on the screen. Computer, show me the studio camera.
Okay.
Full colour night vision and a 400 lumen light, which activates when it notices somebody walking past it, or you can actually activate it from the application as well. And it has cloud or local storage via a micro SD card, which you can purchase separately to put into the camera and record all your events and all your movements and motions and notifications that you get from this camera. The cloud membership does incur a subscription, but you don't have to. I wouldn't recommend doing it. You can record all your events via the SD card locally. It's IP65 waterproof, so it's fine in all weather conditions, and it has an app which is very easy to use. And while we're talking about the app, let's dive into it and just take a quick look at how to use these cameras. So we're inside of the application, and you press the camera, and basically this is where you control the camera. You can swipe left and right on the screen to turn the camera left and right, and up and down like so. You can activate the alarm straight from here. You can activate the light from the application. You can change tones. You can talk, so you press the microphone, and yeah, you can do the two-way talking conversation bit. You can take a snapshot, record, all from the application, play the events that you've actually recorded. You can actually generate a panorama from this as well. So there's all sorts of things in here. Then inside of the settings, you can control the different AI detection settings, the night vision. We've got it actually set on color night vision, which we'll test. You can have it just on black and white if you want to. You've also got the cloud recording default view. You can adjust the brightness of the light up and down. I like to have it on maximum just for when you're out there. This is where you actually connect it to your Amazon Alexa or Google Home, and then all the different update settings there. So the app is just very, very simple. You can control all your devices that you've got from Aosu in here, linked up to your mobile phone, and it works just seamlessly. It's easy to control, and that's what I like about it, and keep track of everything that's going on around your home. So I just like everything about this Aosu system. There's not really anything that I can say that's bad about it. The app works seamlessly. The actual build quality of the camera is perfectly fine. I've been using a couple of them outside of my house for 6 months nearly, and then I've got these two on the rear now, so you know, I can attest to their quality and longevity. It's easy to set up. you know, it just works, and that's what's great about this Aosu system. So I've been super impressed with it. I do fully recommend it, and if any of my friends and family ask me which security camera to buy, these are the ones I recommend. I really do think they are very, very good. Okay, that's it for this one. If you like this kind of content, make sure you do check out this video up here, and you might like this one over here as well. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell. Give this video a like, it really does help. But until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.